Welcome to the Sangla Valley. Hi everyone, I am Neha and welcome to day 3 of the Kinnaur journey. Today we are going to the Sangla Valley. In today's episode, I will take you to the most luxurious property in the Sangla Valley and give you a quick tour that you cannot miss. So keep watching. In the last episode, you saw how we reached Kalpa and the amazing experience we had there. If not, go to the Kinnaur playlist and watch the previous episodes and come back. I will link it here. The total distance for today was to cover 37 kilometers to reach the Sangla Valley. From Kalpa to Sangla Valley, the terrain is tough, but my oh my, it is picturesque. I bet you won't even notice it. वो कहते हैं ना, सुंदर नज़ारों के लिए पथरीले रास्तों से गुजरना पड़ता है. बस यही समझ लेना. Please come with an experienced driver because these roads are one of the dangerous in the world. So yeah, be careful. और कभी-कभी ऐसे रास्तों में मिल जाता है हमको जाम. हम बस सांगला से 6 किलोमीटर दूर हैं और एक छोटा सा जाम लगा हुआ है यहाँ पे. And as you can see, the roads are not that wide, so
भाई जी आगे क्या दिक्कत है? आगे खुदाई हो रही है.
अच्छा, खुदाई हो रही है. तो हम जा रहे थे बत्सेरी विलेज जो है सांगला वैली में, और वहाँ पे हमारा अकोमोडेशन पहले से बुक था. I was the most excited about this because this was the most luxurious property in such a remote place that you can find. We have finally reached our stay for 2 days. And it's an amazing property, guys. Just look at where we are staying. तो चलिए आपको सैर कराते हैं बंजारा कैंप्स एंड रिजॉर्ट की. The Banjara Camps and Resort is a mix of culture and grandeur. Founded by Indian Army Veterans Capt Ajay Sud and his friend Rajesh Ojha, this place encompasses their love for these magnificent mountainous landscapes. This is a place for such like-minded travelers who do not shy away from adventure in a lap of luxury. With accommodations options like the luxury Swiss tents facing the mighty Baspa river to the premium suites. You also have a common room and a library where you can lounge and read through from the right range of books available. Let me give you a quick room tour of our house for the next 2 days. A complete room tour. And if you are an adventure lover, you can choose to go on various trekking and hiking options that the resort will arrange for you and your family. There are a lot of activities available inside the resort like rock climbing, rappelling, fishing, etc. The property is surrounded with the apple orchards and has a riverfront to enjoy effervescent flow of the Baspa river. And as the night falls, spend time sitting by the campfire near the riverbank with a barbecue station to enjoy an ultimate feast. The perfect home away from home in the midst of the mighty Himalayas. What else can you ask for? I will highly recommend that you come here at least for 2 nights and experience it all. They now have new properties in the Spiti and Kullu valleys as well as in the northeast and Ladakh. So I will put their contact information in the description box below. Do check them out. I hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour. If you did, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and keep watching my new videos. My next episode is going to come up very soon where we are exploring the Sangla Valley. So stay tuned. Here's your girl Neha, a girl in the mid, signing off. See you in the next episode. Keep traveling and ciao.